Today we are keeping it very simple with this somewhat gluten-free cookies. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. To make this gluten-free, like I said, this is like somewhat gluten-free, but you can decide to just stick with it without adding any form of gluten. So I was explaining how to go further. So this is my almond seed. So what I just did, I soaked this almond seed overnight to soften it in order for me to peel off the back very easily. So you can also blanch this by just boiling it for just a minute and then drain it out, pour cold water on it, and the back too will come off easily. Or you can just decide to soak this overnight or for some hours and the back will come off easily, just like the way you're seeing in this video. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when we drop new videos. You can also give this video a like and comment below, and also you can share this delicious, simple, amazing recipe. Thank you so much. So what I'm trying to do here is to make almond flour with almond seeds. So you can decide to just buy your almond flour, but you can just decide to make yours. It is very easy to make. As you watch, you will see it is so easy, and that's it. After removing the back of the almond nut, just dab with paper towel or napkin to remove excess moisture and place this in an oven safe pan for it to roast for 5 to 10 minutes. You can decide to also toss this in your stove. Just toss it for just same time, 5 to 10 minutes. Do flip it at interval in order for the nut not to burn. Just want to roast it, and that's it. So once the nut is roasted, the next thing you want to do is to blend it using your dry grinder or your grinder, whatever can grind any dry thing. Just use it and grind your nut. So you know that you've well roasted the nut well when you break into it and the inside is dry, it doesn't have any moisture in it, then you know you've roasted it well. And then you need to allow this to cool down before taking it into your grinder to grind. So this is our almond nut flour, so delicious. So the next thing to do is to assemble all the other ingredients to make our almond nut cookies. So what I'm just doing here is just to sieve the almond nut flour. So like I said, this is a somewhat gluten-free cookies, so you can decide to just go with only almond flour alone. That's if you want it to be completely gluten-free. So I added all-purpose flour, just a handful of all-purpose flour. Please check the description box for the ingredients measurement. So if you don't want to add all-purpose flour, you can skip the addition of the flour. Add in baking powder and salt and mix this together very well. This is a thank you to all those that keep coming back to watch my videos, that keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. So the next thing you want to do is to melt some butter and some other things. So you can decide to do this, or you can just decide to do the normal creamy butter, add other ingredients. But I wanted this to have that chocolate, that intense chocolate taste, so that's why I'm doing this. So I'm just melting my butter, and after the butter has melted, I add in sugar and I mix this together very well until the sugar is a bit dissolved. Add in cocoa powder and milk. You can decide to also make use of peanut butter as well, but this was the flour I was going with. I'm gonna say it is so delicious. It is very, 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 very delicious. You can also make use of chocolate as well. We can also decide to melt the chocolate and use it in making your almond nuts cakes. So just mix this everywhere together until everything is well dissolve, and then you add in vanilla extract and then mix this up together, turn off the heat, and voila, that is good to go. Just allow this to rest for some minutes before adding into your dry ingredients. Add the chocolate mixture into the dry ingredients and mix this together properly. Add in egg and mix this well together. You can also skip the egg addition, just add more liquid like milk and mix this very well. But the egg is going to make everything combine together and it's going to make it richer. So just mix this together until it somewhat kind of paste is formed. So I misplaced some parts of this clip, so let's just go with what we have. So the other part, I already baked some of this cookies, so this was what was left. So you can decide to make your cookies into whatever shape you want. I just wanted a round shape, and that's what I did here. I just scoop out some and make it into a ball, and then I pressed it down, and that was it. And bake in my oven for 5 to 8 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's it. See, delicious, tasty cookies is ready. When I tell you this is so delicious, so amazing, you're gonna enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.